A very good day to the examiners. My name is Ming, and I am from FTK BNF, and my project title is Face Recognition's Contactless Door Access in view of Internet of Things IoTs, and with the supervisions of Dr. Muhammad Shamian bin Zainaus. The main content for the presentation is introductions, literature review, methodology, expected result, reference, and also the examples. First and foremost, the introductions. The implementations of the Internet of Things IoT device is increasing gradually in human life. This is because people are more depending on the automation and the easier life brought by the IoT devices. This is due to they can save time and also bring convenience to them. And for this project, the face recognition contactless door access in view of IoT can help them to solve problems and also at the same time increase their quality of life. And the function of the project is face detections, compare and determinations for entries of the doors, and this process can be done through wirelessly and also can be monitored with the implementations of Raspberry Pi into the projects. Next, the problem segment. This project needs to reduce the close contact of people, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. And the privacy also can be enhanced using the contactless face recognition and increase the security level at the same time. And people are also having problems using their keys and access card. And by using face recognition, the problem can be solved. The main objective of the project can be separated into three, which is the first objective, design a device using PIR sensors and precise to monitor the situation in front of the door. And second objective, implementations IoT with Raspberry Pi to realize installations in door access. And the third objective is to build a device with consistent and one system to aware the user when people approach it. Moving forward into the literature review, the literature review can be separated into three parts, which are face recognition, OpenCD, automated door access, and also camera monitoring system to be discussed. And from the previous works, we can discover that the face recognition can be done using few algorithms such as LVPH, PATA, PCA, and R-category classifiers. And all of them have different usage and different functions. And for the OpenCV, it is an enormous library and numerous interface and different language accepted to use to edit the OpenCV. And besides, it also supports varieties of operating systems which can help to implement the system into many devices. And for the automated door access, it can be designed for many usage. For example, the smart office and the visually impaired people. And it also can be designed to double layer unlocks using face recognitions and also eyes recognitions to increase the security levels. And additions of OTP algorithms to the automated door access can also increase the security levels of the door access. And lastly, the camera monitoring system. The camera can be used Pi camera, USB port camera, and other cameras that's suitable and have port in the Raspberry Pi. This shows the contents of the methodologies. For instance, the introductions, project flowchart, system diagram, system flowchart, project circuit diagram, and also project 3D layouts. For the introductions of the methodologies, the project will be done accordingly following the steps stated in the First and foremost, the project flowchart. The project flowchart will record the steps that requires to solve the problem and also complete the projects from starts to the ends, including the report writings and also the simulations and so on. Next, the system block diagram of the project. The project will be using the Raspberry Pi for the main microcontroller and also have inputs of power supplies and Pi camera PIR sensors for inputs. And for the outputs, we have output motors, motor drivers, and motor, and the output indicator, LCD screen, buzzers, LED, and also lastly the output for the screens to display system flowchart, it starts when the power supplies and the PIR sensor start detecting incoming person. If yes, the pi camera will activated. Now it will come back to the rest. And after the pi camera activated, it will start live stream and capture the image shown on the screen and detect the face using R cascaded, which will be compared later using the non-database. And after that, it will recognize the face. If yes, the door will open and send a message to the device and the LCD display will come. If no, the buzzer will turn on and send a message to the device. And that's the host for the system flowchart. Next will be the project circuit diagram. The project circuit diagram is designed using the project software. And by using the circuit diagram, simulations can be done through using this software. For instance, there are parts and components for the hardware for demonstrations. For instance, the Raspberry Pi buzzer system, the driver system, LCD, PIR sensor, and serial communications modules. The Raspberry Pi is for the connections, and the buzzer is for the notification. The motor driver system is for the open and closing of the door access, and the LCD will display according to the situations. And the PIR sensor will help to detect the people approaching, and the serial communication module is connections with the Wi-Fi streams. Lastly, the project 3D models. From the views of the 3D models, we can see that the general size of the projects and also the main components that will be interfaced in the systems. Lastly, for the expected result, the prototypes will be generally separated into two parts, which is the control box included with the hardware and also the door access models. And the modified and optimizations of the code will be complete the systems. And the system able to function with the combinations and assembles of the software and hardware at part of the projects. In addition, this is the reference applied in this project. For the appendix, the project Gantt charts will be shown. For example, the PSM1 project Gantt and also project Gantt chart for PSM2. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.